All right. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you some sort of a big picture on how this method works. I'm going to show you more details and tell you exactly about them in the next coming videos. But for now, I want to just share with you the big picture so you know what you can expect and actually how it's working. So let's take the example of the building a dining table, okay, this kind of niche. Now, when I scroll down and let's say I would choose this video here. Now, what I would do is I would pretty much add a link to this guy's video description. Okay, this might sound a little bit counterintuitive or something, or maybe makes you feel weird about this, because the question is, how can you get someone like this with so many views and subscribers to add a link from your website to this video description? Because that's essentially what we want to do, okay? Now, I'm going to share with you exactly how this works in the next coming videos, but for now, that's what we're going to do, okay? We're going to pretty much rent the video description from these people with these kind of videos that are so popular, that go viral and stuff, and we want to place our link in their description, okay? Now, some of these, basically I would say all the video descriptions you can see are pretty much keyword optimized. So these kind of videos rank on YouTube very high, and or on Google as well, because it's not so long ago when Google bought YouTube and now they're one. Okay, so as you can see here, for example, this video here, it has 3.7 million views. Not sure if you can see this. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This one here, 3.7 million views, 10 months ago it's been released, and this video has the keyword dining table in the description. So it's pretty much optimized, or pretty much this guy or whoever it is trying to rank for this keyword on YouTube for this specific video. Now, all this really doesn't matter for us at all, because what we're going to do is, like I said before, we're going to get in touch with these people and we try to rent their video description so we can place our link in their description and get a ton of traffic to our website, okay? When you see, for example, videos like this, 3.7 million views in 10 months, it's, you can do the math on your own. I'm not doing it right now because it's really, really a bad idea to do math on camera. It always goes wrong and it's really a bad thing. But you can expect that these videos get thousands of visitors every single day, maybe every single hour to, that's how they reach these numbers, right? So really, really a lot of potential in this method. You can go with, let's say, the weight loss niche, okay? Pretty much any other niche you can think of. And as you can see here, some of these videos also have a link in the description, obviously. And what these people are promoting are either affiliate products, their own products, programs or services, or they send people to a squeeze page where they can collect their name, their email address, so they can market and keep selling to these people later on, okay? For example, this guy here, he is, what is this? It's an offer, and I would say that he's an affiliate of this offer, and he's promoting it, and he gets a commission when he sells or gets someone to buy this offer from his link. And that's essentially how people are making money from the viral traffic these videos are generating every single day, and we want to leverage that for our product, program, or service, whatever you have to sell or market, okay? So that's essentially the big picture. I'm going to share with you exactly how all this ties together, how you can rent these video descriptions, and get them to place your link in their description for you. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one again. Bye.